What are amethyst, black tourmaline, and rose quartz wanting to share with you today? Open up your crown chakra. Connect with your inner intuitive self, your guides, more often so that you can really begin to recognize more of what they're sharing with you, whether it is to stay away from something, to stop speaking, to speak your truth, to give yourself a voice, following your own path. Black tourmaline absorbs negative energy and also sets up a shield, a protective shield around you so that you do not absorb negative energy. And it will also absorb negative energy from other crystals around it. And then rose quartz, unconditional love, self-care. Where are you neglecting what your heart and soul want you to be sharing with yourself, to be doing for yourself? And what is it about where you are on your journey that is causing you to stumble? Whether it is in thoughts or dilly-dallying, procrastination, what's happening that is clouding what your guides are trying to share with you, to tell you, to help you? Are you really open to the answers in the way that they are meant to show up for you? In signs, I mean, it can be so simple, and yet we humans like to make everything super complicated because simple just seems to be too easy. And a lot of us have been taught that unless you do something for a long time and it's really hard to do and it takes you like forever, then it's not really well done, or it's not enough, or some other silly thing. Black tourmaline. This is also for grounding. It is for helping you to protect yourself from negativity. So you could hold black tourmaline in your hand or put it to your third eye to clear out any cluttered thoughts, and then connect with your heart center. You can put both of your beautiful hands over your heart center and just simply breathe. Amethyst, black tourmaline, rose quartz, on selenite. Selenite absorbs and cleanses and recharges you and all of your crystals. Have an amazing day, beautiful soul. Please remember you are loved and treasured beyond measure. Your dreams matter. You matter.